Action TESA Flooring has beautified your homes with their amazing looking wooden flooring and best build quality. The same wooden flooring can be used to give stunning look to your walls and ceiling. We are going to show this with a simple and easy to make design. Material that we require: Action TESA plain flooring and Action TESA herringbone flooring. Action TESA 18mm particle board. You can also use a normal ply or board 12mm or above thickness. Open the flooring plank from the box and keep it in the room where it needs to be installed for 48 hours so that the flooring planks can acclimatize as per the room condition. Before starting the paneling, ensure the wall is flat and leveled and there should be no seepage or moisture in the wall, otherwise can result to excessive movement in the wood. This can be checked with the help of moisture meter, or you can feel the dampness by touching the wall surface. Today we are going to give a beautiful look to the living room's wall with Action TESA flooring. The wall is 17 feet wide and height is 8 feet. Now, according to the selected design, we mark sizes on the wall. As per design marking, 3 parts on the wall. First, 5 feet wide. Second, 7 feet. And third, 5 feet wide. Cut 50 to 100 mm wide battens from Action TESA particle board and fix these battens to the wall with the help of plastic fastener and screws. Make sure the distance between 2 buttons should not exceed more than 18 inches. Similarly, fix the battens on the other side of the wall. The number of battens would depend on the size of the wall. Make frame for the center portion with the help of batten and fix it to the wall, and then fix a complete Action TESA particle board on the frame as shown in the video. To start putting the floor plank to wall, use a half plank to have scattered joint. Cut the tongue of the first plank so it can be placed adjacent to the wall, or you can keep a gap of 8mm. You need to put headless nail on the tongue of the bottom side so that the nail is not visible once the other plank is placed over it. For extra strength, silicone can be used as shown in the video. It will also reduce the movement in the planks. Similarly, the other planks are placed one by one. Herringbone plank fixing to be started from the lower center and moving ahead with W formation as shown in the video. LED lights can be fixed in the cove, which will enhance the beauty of the paneling.